phone away, Wendell. You're late. And 34 minutes to be exact.
Thanks for reminding me. I didn't even notice.
I was coming up the highway, 5 cars pile up, Skeeter got ran over by a school bus. He had to get lifted to Jackson. Oh, come on. You gotta loosen up. I'm buckling them pants or something.
So
So
are you gonna clock in? Or should I have Mr. McKinney do it for you?
Look, man. I had an uncle, just like you, right? His name was Tom.
You know what? You can keep up your childish antics all you want. It's only gonna prolong the inevitable.
Hey, man. Joke's on you, right? I don't even know what that means.
I wouldn't expect you to.
Roger. Look.
Dude, would you do Angie?
Hell no. She's fat.
So what?
Man, forget that, dude. Take a look at me, all right?
What's wrong with being fat?
Oh, me and Angie? That's like a sumo wrestling match waiting to happen. Okay? I don't know what it is, but it's like fat girls, they're always attracted to me. I mean, do I look like a honey bun to you?
Alright, what about Stephanie?
Yeah. Do the terms cruel and unusual punishment mean anything to you?
But she's not ugly.
She's weird. Who do you know who goes shopping for a pen? Okay? Yeah, you want a pen? You go right into my couch cushions, okay? You'll find a dozen of them in there. So, I don't know, can you even imagine having sex with her too? She'd be all polite and shit. I'd go squirt right in her face and she'd be like, there, Mr. Willis, accidents do happen. Oh shit, hide me.
Dude, who is that?
Oh, it's the girl I met at Ovation last month. She's been hounding my ass, bro.
The girl with the freckle face?
Yeah. She called me up like 2 weeks ago, told me that she had an ovarian cyst, and then she wanted to know if I caused it. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know either, but it sounds painful.
And then the second time she comes over, right? She comes over, she brings her clothes, she brings her toothbrush, she brings her work clothes, like she's moving in with me or something. Is she gone?
Yeah.
All right, man, let's go.
Dude, she's gonna slash your tires, bro.
I'm gonna restraining order on that bitch. Hey, you know Jenna Jameson's got a new porno coming out?
Yes, man, she's a 4-tissue tugger.
I know, last time I dislocated my wrist.
Ooh.
Is that all you bitches do? Talk about masturbation all day?
Yeah, man, what's wrong with masturbation?
Yeah, don't knock masturbation, man. Because it's sex with someone you love.
You look like you started at 8 years old.
7, thank you.
You know they say masturbation can cause blindness, give you acne, grow hair in your palms. All views that have been supported by science.
Yeah, right. If that was true, Brandon here would be one blind, ugly white boy.
You think I'm lying? Check this out. This is what your dingling is gonna look like.
Yuck. Is that for real?
Yeah, yours is gonna look like that pretty soon.
It looks like it hurts.
Yeah. How much you spending on porn?
I don't know.
Monthly.
20, 30, maybe 40.
Let's say 150. And that's how much you're spending on C-rated movies that are not worth watching because they're so watered down. You guys are probably still watching Debbie Does Dallas.
Yeah, but I don't think I want my dingling to look like that.
Now, hold on. I got some movies that'll make your ring-ding look better than that.
That's what I'm talking about.
What do you got?
I got the Italian blowjob. I got Super Hard. Fun with dick and pussy. Black pussy moan, baby.
Nice.
There's some deleted scenes, behind the scenes footage, and a few blooper reels too.
Let me get Fun with Dick and Pussy, and I want the Italian blowjob. I don't have no money today.
All right, I got you. I got you.
Good looking out.
Hey, can you get me a new headset? The one I have's got like a glitch or something.
Yeah, send me an IT request.
All right.
How long you been for?
What? What the hell is this now?
Looks like the new call answer.
This is like 2 paragraphs.
I think it's supposed to help us with the call volume.
I'll tell you what this means. This means I need to start looking for a new job. That's what that means. Necesito un nuevo trabajo.
Poor ass ain't going nowhere, Miss Opal. You've been saying that for the longest.
Sorry I'm late.
Like I was saying, 40%. My calls are down 40% compared to last year. At this rate, we'll be down 60% by the end of the fiscal year. Late, late, late. Call-outs, call-outs. For Christ's sake, what is it we need to do here?
The problem is obvious. There's way too much incompetence. We need more competent and reliable reps. That's what we need.
But we can't.
There's no such thing as we can't.
Hold up. That'll take at least 2 to 3 weeks to fill that voided spots.
See, now that can definitely hurt our call volumes.
What do you propose?
Let's motivate the employees.
Motivate?
Yes. We'll give them more overtime, more hours. I mean, a company layoff will only dampen their morale.
Might I remind you that we're in a business of making money. Now you're asking us to reward our less productive employees with more hours and overtime?
And the chance of the company getting into any lawsuit could be completely catastrophic for us. And besides, it could be looked at as racially motivated.
Is that the motivation you're talking about, sweetheart? I mean, whose side are you on?
All right, that's enough. Let's all take a second to cool off. Eva, get me a finance report from each department and see what manpower we can spare. But we make room for more suitable employees.
But Jack.
That's all. Lavaris, I want 8 new CSRs by the end of the month.
Anything else?
No, that's it. This can't be that complicated.
I hate to admit it, the broad's right. A lawsuit could jeopardize the company's image.
That's bullshit. Racially motivated? I made donations to the Negro College Fund.
This is the society we live in today, Jack. We're the minorities now. I mean, look at the gays. They're everywhere. If you're not gay, we're the weird ones.
Get to the point.
All I'm saying is we need to fight fire with fire. That's all I'm saying. Think about it. I've got a plan.
Between you and me, we think that's evidence. He just doesn't know it yet. I'll tell you right now, keep your business out the call center. Because word around here travels like a Paris Hilton video. Here, this is the new call answer. Our work CSI is probably where you're going to work. We take calls from manufacturers who don't want to deal with their own customers. But then again, who can blame them? Come on, let's go to break room.